Hello guys, Salman Naseem again. In today's lecture, we'll discover how to create a bulk animation. For example, you are required an animation for your event or for your reels for social media. We can do it by using ChatGPT, Google Sheet, and Canva. Let's discover how to do it. I will write down the prompt. Give me a 10 quote about living in the US will lead to the success along with the author names. So it will give us 10 quotes. The next prompt is convert it into a spreadsheet format. We will copy it and we'll go for a spreadsheet and we'll go edit and paste special. The values on a shortcut for that is Control Shift V. So we'll have the code in a one column and the author in a one column. We'll save that as a CSV file. It's time to switch to the Canva. We'll search for any animation, good animation design. And I think that one is fine for me. I will click over here and click on a customize this template. So we don't need that. We'll remove that. That also will just bring that to here. And contact us will also remove because that is not also over required. So that specific part is for the authors and this one will be for the same. So we'll just adjust the length so it will combine it. It's time to connect the data. For that we'll go for apps, search for bulk creation. We'll upload the CSV file which we have created. It will take all the data. We'll connect the authors with there. I think it's better to connect the bold one with the author. So we'll bring that to down there and we'll connect this one with the saying, connect data in quotes, and we'll go there and connect data with the authors. So that's where the all author will come here and the quotes will become here. And we'll click on a continue. There are the all 10 sayings and we'll click on a generate. It will generate a 10 animation for us along with the quotes. And if there is some problem, we can fix it manually like that. Almost all the things are bigger than the expected. I can fix that smartly also. But I think that is fine. And we can click on a share button. We can download all the files, all 10 pages as separately and click on a download. So for the bulk animation, we have the video for each and every section. We can play just one video to check it, how it's look like. We can still animate the text and everything else. We can also check it on Canva. We can also play and check what kind of animation we have. So if you want more attractive, we have already learned how to create a voiceover with the help of AI. We can just bring that voiceover to the Canva and upload it separately in every slide. This will give us nice looking reels and shorts for your YouTube content or your social media. That is all for this video. Hopefully you like it. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. See you in the next video.